Feeling annoyed is to feel disturbed or bothered by a person that displeases, troubles, or slightly irritates you. People who are annoyed the most are people who are focused. You know, the people who have a dream, a goal, or even a plan. And the people who are annoying them are the people who are constantly getting in the way of their dream and constantly getting in the way of their plan. And as a result, they become an annoyance. The problem with feeling annoyed, however, is that it comes with the trend of neglect. That if someone is constantly annoying you and you dismiss them constantly, then you have to be sensitive to the question, am I neglecting them? Now, of course, there are some unhealthy annoyances. You know, that person on your job that's constantly getting on your nerves and puts you in a place where you can't get any work done. That's an unhealthy annoyance. Or even that person that's constantly trying to get with you and they know you're not interested. And even you may even already have somebody. Now that's an unhealthy annoyance. That's different. But you have to ask yourself, is there somebody in my life who I constantly dismiss and I cannot afford to lose? Are they really an annoyance?